Hello friends, once again welcome back to your YT channel on live server. So friend, in my last video I told you about the first and second plan of Sweden VPS server. So friend, if you haven't watched, just link is given in description, go there and watch that video. So friend, today in this video I'm going to explain the next plan of Sweden VPS server. That's the Sweden VPS server plan buy. So friend, the cost of this plan, that's only $37. And before this plan I want to tell you that why you should buy the plan by our company. So friends, for your company website, VPS server offers a wide range of extremely reliable and adaptable benefits, including unlimited bandwidth, large storage, backups, root level access, and dedicated resources and data entry. These are the reasons. So friend, let's have a look at the plan of Sweden VPS plan buy. So friend, in the cost of this plan, that's $37, and in this plan you will get 2 core, 2 GB RAM, 60 GB SSD, and 2 TB bandwidth, and 1 IP address. Just click to configure for more information, and here you can get the information about that, the payment options, how to pay. Here you can see that there are 4 payment options like monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually plans. And the operating system you will get CentOS, UI into TV, and Windows Server 2019, 2016, and 2012. For 2019, 16 and 12 you will have to pay 819 rupees, and you will get Fedora and Windows 10, Windows 7, and custom OS. And control panel you will get the Plex panel with 10 domain host. The cost of this, that's only 819, and Plex panel with unlimited domain host, the cost of this, that's the only cheapest, that's the only 2047. And you will get free Babmin, free Centora, free Vesta CP, and CentOS web panel, that will be free, and ISP config. And these are the so friends, these are the control panels, and you will get 5 accounts to 500 accounts. You will have to pay some amount, and the next that you will get the 2 CPU core, 2 GB memory, 2 TB bandwidth, 16 GB SSD, and 1 IPv4 addresses, and one you will get 1 Gbps network, and you will get KVM hypervisor data center, that will be same Sweden, and setup time that will be few minutes, and services will be fully managed, and cloud control panel managed. And you will get the 24/7 customer support. So if you want to purchase this plan, please visit our website and purchase this plan. Thank you friend, thanks for watching this video.